Do you want to know how you can log into your Onpay Payroll account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Onpay Payroll account. Go ahead and open any browser on your PC, go to the search bar to search for Onpay Payroll Login. Then click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to the official login portal of Onpay, where you can log in using your email address, your Google account, your Xero account, or your Intuit account. Let's start with your email address. Go ahead and write down your email address in the first box, and write down your password in the second box. After you write down your email address and password, go ahead and click Login. This way, you can successfully log into your Onpay Payroll account using your email address. If you have forgotten your password, this is the link for you to click on and you can recover your password. If you want to log in using your Google, Intuit, or Xero, just go ahead and click on these. After you click on it, you can select your Google account, click Continue, and you can sign into your OnePay or Onpay Payroll account using your Google account. Same goes for Intuit and Xero. So guys, this is how you log into your Onpay Payroll account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.